My specialty is in litigation, and more specifically, I do real estate litigation with a focus on land use matters. And then my other pet project is I work with cannabis companies, cannabis adjacent companies, and hemp companies to comply with local and state regulations, and also in any litigation needs they might have. And I became involved in this subsection of the law for two reasons. One, at a prior firm, I started working with a real estate developer out in the high desert area of LA County, and they were planning on developing a cannabis condo complex, which is the idea being that they get the permits and then they sublease them or subdivide them off to other businesses that want to use that land that's already been zoned for cannabis-related activity. In that case, that was as far as that firm was willing to, as close as that firm was willing to get to working on cannabis issues. But in the process, I got to know the status of the law as far as the federal ban versus California legalization. And I was so intrigued on an intellectual level by that tension in the law that I just wanted to get closer to the industry, because the law is constantly evolving. And when that sea change hits, when there's legalization or decriminalization at the federal level, or maybe there's some Supreme Court case that carves out an exception, I wanted to be there for that, and I wanted to be able to advocate for that industry, because that's why I was attracted to try to build a practice around this industry, is because it needs attorneys to help it grow, because there's so many legal challenges and so much downward pressure on it. And it really is a product that everyone should have access to. There's therapeutic possibilities that we've barely begun to tap into. And once it becomes federally legal, we can understand scientifically the full range of possibilities and applications that this plant has that have been suppressed because of federal prohibition that was ginned up in the 1930s.